Flintstones technology. That's my Flintstones wheel.
Oh yeah.
Which I've rigged and now need to pull into the center of the van. The second Flintstone wheel is underneath already at the west end of the van, but the center one can't be fully inserted until the van goes up a little more. So that's my deal today.
And you're doing all this yourself?
Well, mostly. I have a neighbor and a friend named Mark who occasionally helps with these things.
Okay.
But for the last couple of weeks, he's been immersed in his own projects, which I don't help him with at all. I'm not a very good partner for Mark. I'll show you some slippers for you if you like. You're welcome to just wear your socks, but I've got plenty of very clean slippers, which you're perfectly welcome to. I'll turn the lights on for you. I have to go downstairs to turn the lights on because an electrical infrastructure project, which is in mid-project, has disabled the normal routine. It's an interesting bird though, and it has some interesting history. My hope is that we'll reverse my fortunes.
It, but I presume it's fast and you've got no room on the It's a little bit disconcerting there.
Oh, sorry.